shit is amazing. Hey, this shit is amazing. Always Gucci. Out here.
Step in the street, please. Thank you. But I need y'all to go to one side or step in the street. So people need to be able to.
Word. I tell you, they be working backwards with a loop. No. Huh? Oh, that's a no. Yo, bro, where they starting at? Yes, right?
Yeah, he got.
The other one.
His shit said 415.
He's lit.
What a nice Sunday. Oh snap, I'm recording. Oh, I ain't even know. Yeah. Yo, it's good, y'all. I'm just enjoying the weather right now. You know, it's rainy today. It's a rainy Sunday. And it is September 29th. September 29th. Hey, September 29th. Hey. The month is almost over. It's been a crazy week. As you seen in the beginning of the clip, it was crazy drop. It was a crazy release. Yo, this release took all my energy away. Half of my energy, I ain't going for like half. Like, I was outside in the rain all day. Like, I started from yesterday from 8 a.m. to all the way to like 3, bro, to 3 o'clock, bro, just trying to get these sneakers, bro. I'm like, damn, yesterday was epic. So you see the title. So it's the Nigo release drop. You know, it was epic. As you've seen, I was outside. The line was crazy. It was 2 lines. I'm like, yo, the Nigo drop. Yo, this sneaker was crazy. Oh, my bad. Not these, guys. Not these. My bad. Not these. These was easy to get. Well, not easy, but I hit these on a raffle. Make sure you look. I have the video posted in the description. Make sure you check this video out. I talked about the SBs on how I got it, you know, for retail. Not these, my bad. It was so crazy yesterday. These are the sneakers I got yesterday. And let me tell you, these sneakers was epic. It came out on the 28th, a pop-up in New York. Secret pop-up, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. If you from New York, you know. But if you don't know, it was a secret pop-up. He had it on his page, Nigo. He had it on his page. It was crazy. And then I'm like, yo, in the beginning of the day, I'm looking on his page. He took it down. I'm like, well, where's the location? So now I'm like, yo, this is epic. So first of all, it was crazy finding out the location. That's one. And then when you get to the location, then, you know, there's people standing and they fiending for wristband. They're like, yo, yeah. Let me get a bag, yo, let me get a bag. You know what I'm saying? Everybody fiending, grab. I see chicks trying to go in the front, trying to do what it do. I'm like, damn, it's crazy. Yo, this drop was epic. If you from New York, you know. If you not from New York, look at this. Epic drop. Crazy Nigo Nike collab. Epic release. Finally. Yo, I ain't gonna front. Yo, Nigo, this is a fire drop. Hands down. I'll give it 10 out of 10 fire sneaker. I'm gonna get into it, but before I jump into it, it was epic, as you seen in the clip. I'm like, yo, people shoving, it's raining, mind you. I'm like, yo, I can't get a break. I can't get a break. And then I had a band the first day, so you had to line up. Everybody had to line up, right? Let me tell you. I'm going to just show you the sneaker while I'm talking about it. So everybody had to line up, right? And people were shoving like, yo, I'm first. Yo, yesterday on the 28th, and today's the 29th, Sunday, it released on a Saturday. So I'm like, yo, the detail is amazing. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, details is crazy. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are these crazy? And then they got the Nigo Nike logo in the back. Ooh, it is fire. 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie. The color contrast is amazing. You got the pink right here. Ooh, contrast with the red. So fire. Little hint of blue. You know you need some blue. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with blue, because if you have your denim pants, you know what I'm saying? You have like your denim or whatever blue. Perfect right there. These are great for summer, spring, fall. Amazing. Don't wear these in the winter though, because when they get wet, that's it. The material, you know what I'm saying? The leather part, you see the leather? Sometimes the leather will mess up in the rain. So don't do that, guys. Don't do that. But definitely check these sneakers out. It was epic. Second day, I had to pop up at 8 a.m. I had to go there 8 a.m. And I'm like, damn, should I really? Woo! Woo! Hey! Woo! Woo! Damn, let me take out the second pair so you guys see. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yo! Yo, these are crazy. Yo, these are crazy, guys. These smell amazing. I'm hyped right now. I don't know if you ever been hyped, you know, when you get a limited, especially a limited sneaker like this. This was extremely limited, guys. I ain't gonna lie, extremely limited. You know what I'm saying? And how many pairs they had? Psh, probably like, I want to say they had like 70 pairs. Let's just say they had 70 pairs. But of the blue color, they probably had like, I want to say they had like 60 pairs of the blue. Actually, I'm bugging. I had a good amount. Probably like 100 pairs. 100 pairs of both colors. You know, 50-50, I think. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, it was an epic drop. People was shoving, pushing. I wish I recorded more, guys. But I needed space on my phone, and I was outside in the rain, and it was crazy. It was like if you know, you know how New York drops is, and if you don't, it get wild every time. This time it wasn't too wild, but it was just too long. From 8 a.m. all the way to 3 for a drop just to get in the store. Oh my God. But it's an amazing shoe. You have a lot of other details. You have a nice pin with it that goes with it right here. I guess this goes right here. I guess it goes right here. I'm assuming. And the details inside this shoe is amazing. I'm gonna give you a close-up, guys. I'm gonna give you a close-up on how it. But yeah, you got the inside sole 9.5. Creative, really creative. And what I really love about it, at first, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I thought these were the Air Max, cause it remind me of an Air Max in a way, you know. Let me know in the comments. Do this remind you of an Air Max or what other sneaker? But then when I looked into it, I was like, oh, it's an Air Force X Nigo. Look at the Nigo in the back and then the Nike logo. So Japan have an exclusive where it says Nigo. You know what I'm saying? Nigo and then Nike. That's a Japanese exclusive. They had it in New York, but it was, you know, it was gone fast. It was gone fast. And on top of that, the first 50 people, sorry about that, outside, you know, people. But yeah, the first 50 people, you were able to get a free item. It was a it was a headphones, but you had to buy a t-shirt or a Nigo item. So they had many different items. They had sweaters, you know, I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you, but they had sweaters, different jackets and stuff like that. All of that stuff going fast. When I got in, it was only this. Only this. Only this. Hey, it smells so good, guys. Like, I love a fresh pair of sneakers. Let me know in the comments, do you? I do. And that's another way to tell if a sneaker is fake. If it got that strong scent, like that gluey scent, it's fake. But if it have that nice smell, that subtle where you don't have it, you know, it's real. So these are real, straight up the bat. And it come with a patch, Nigo patch. So, you know, that's really cool. And what else it come with? That's about it. But the color contrast is amazing. I didn't get the other color. The other color is white. You know, is white. I'll show you the other color. But yeah, the other color is white, but I didn't get that color, so I got blue. And I think and it come out on the sneakers app too next month. I believe early on the 6th or the 7th next month. But yeah, guys, stay tuned on this. Definitely, I hope you guys get it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm almost at what, 400? Thank you so much for everybody always tuning in. Yeah. I can step your style up. I can help you step your game up. Air Force 3. Nigo. These are fire. So you see, guys, the detail is amazing. As you can see, you got a little hint of pink. You got some red. Of course, you got the yellow. Then you got the blue. Then you got the Nigo logo. Then, like I was saying, it got this, the Nigo print, the soles, that is fire. The Nigo, wow, that is fire on the inside. So then you see this is leather right here. This is the leather part. And this check feel nice too. The stitching is nice. I like it's really clean. This is how you know if a sneaker is fake. Sometimes you gotta always look at the stitching of the sneaker too. That's another way to tell if a sneaker is fake. Okay, guys, so the stitching look off. You see all Nike product, you see the stitching is perfect. You know, it's really perfect. And then you see the details right there. Yeah, black Nike lace. And then I have the tongue. I got the Nike Air Force, you know, Air Force 3 Nike. Then you got this right here. And the red and Air Force. This is fire. This is fire. Super fire. Let me know what you thought. Let me know on these. Would you get these? Would you toe? Or these a toe or throw? Toe or throw? What would you do? Would you toe it or would you throw it? Me, honestly, I would keep it. I would toe it. If it's me. But this, you know, I'm gonna sell it to my customer, honestly. You know, my customer was fiending for the Nigo, so you know, I'm gonna just sell it, you know. But this is an amazing sneaker. Amazing shoe. There you go, guys.